In this video, we're going to create the eyeball and the frame for the face. Go to create, NURBS primitive, sphere, rotate on X 90 degrees, bring that up, put it in place, increase the size. Okay, now we're going to go into the isoparms. Go ahead and make that smaller, just like so. Now go to surfaces, insert isoparms. Let's make that same step a couple of more times. Now, with the isoparm selected, go into Curves, Detach, Center Pivot, push it a little back, scale that up slightly, then push it inwards, put it down, select the holes, and scale that in. Push it slightly backwards. And go to the hypershade, create a new material, surface shader, apply it to the pupil, attach material to selection. For the actual eye, create a blend, and assign material to selection. In the blend color, you can lower down the eccentricity, up, slide up the reflected color, and specular color. Okay, here we go. So that's our eyeball. You can make any further adjustments here. This time around, for this model, we're gonna go the edge modeling faces route, where we create a face and then we start using our references as to guide us to create an image. So we'll start by building the loops of the eye. Let's go into mesh, go into poly primitives, planes, set them up so that they only have one unit of width and height. Let's go ahead and turn that 90 degrees. Let's go ahead and place it somewhere here where we will start with this area, creating the eyelet. Hit close. Now go to Mesh Tools, Append Polygon, Option box, limit the number of points by 4, and now we can click here. Let's go down and up. Down and up. Click on the center, down and up. Click on the center, down and up. And now we're going to continue this process all around the eye. Okay, and just take it somewhere here. Once you do, we can now merge these. All right, now we're gonna grab these vertices, merge these together. And now we're gonna go ahead and move them around so that we can accommodate this a little better so that it matches our reference. All right, so somehow massage that into place. Once you do, you can now grab the inner loop. Let's go to edges. And now let's go ahead and extrude that inwards. Create another edge loop. Smooth that out. And then move whatever is necessary. Somewhere around there, where the geometry goes around the eye, you can now even take this geometry, duplicate it, and we're gonna reuse it towards the mouth area. Let's center the pivot. Let's go to faces, delete half of it, and now let's work towards fixing both of these views. Let's extrude this a couple of times. Add a couple of edge loops. So to get more definition. All right, and to finish things up, we're gonna go ahead and create another plane, hit apply. And what we're going to be doing next, we're going to start and repeat the same process so that we can get the frame for the face. We'll start down here and then repeat the process up until we get to the forehead. Set that out on the center. Make this a little slightly bigger. Go ahead and start extruding. All right, that's good. Let's go ahead and continue in the next video.